Hi, I'm Jason Culp from North Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how to avoid obstacles like this with the HP Siteprint. You'll see here that we have 3 lines on each side where the obstacle would have been. Right now we're just going to go ahead and lay those out. You'll see the lines get a little bit darker. They've been printed once already before, so they'll get a little bit darker where the printer goes, but now you'll see the printer backs up, actually turns around because it's self enough room to swings back around, and then it'll go through and print another line. And I don't believe I printed all 3 lines in this scenario, but I wanted to show you from each side how it avoids the obstacle altogether. So we'll see here now it prints another line, then stops. Even though that line goes all the way through, it'll back up, and then it will avoid the obstacle by driving around it. And then it goes down here to the other side, and it'll print the other side of one of those lines. Lines up here pretty quickly, and then it'll slow down a little bit just so it can start that print, just like it would any other print. Once it prints that line, once again, you can see it's darker there. It'll just go ahead and back up and avoid that obstacle again. If you have any questions about HP or Icon software, give us a call here at North Technologies. We'd be happy to help you out.